Just look at these transformations, how the right hairstyle can completely change your look. Even Hollywood actors and top models spend thousands on stylists who study their face shape to pick the perfect haircut. The problem? You don't have a stylist, and you probably can't afford one. So in this video, I'll show you how to find the perfect hairstyle for your face, plus a secret trick that top models use to instantly boost their charm. Let's start. Step 1. Find your face shape. Take a straight selfie with your hair pulled back and no smile. Now, draw straight lines like this on these areas. Now notice 4 points: your forehead width, cheekbone width, jawline width, and the overall length of your face. Compare the numbers. If length and width are almost the same, you have a round face. A strong jaw with equal width and length is square. If your face is a little longer than it is wide, that's oval. Long with straight sides is rectangle. A wide forehead with a narrow chin is heart. Sharp cheekbones with a narrow forehead and chin is diamond. Most men fall into oval or square, so don't overthink it. Just find the closest match. Step 2. The secret rule. Balance the facial thirds. This is the secret trick used by top stylists. Divide your face into 3 equal parts, from the hairline to the eyebrows, from the eyebrows to the bottom of the nose, and from the nose to the chin. A naturally attractive look comes from keeping these 3 sections visually balanced. If the upper third looks too big, like a high forehead or receding hairline, choose styles that cover the forehead, such as a French crop. If the forehead feels too small, add height with styles like a pompadour or slicked back look to stretch that area. If the middle third seems long, don't hide the forehead. Instead, grow a slightly longer beard to shift attention downward. If the lower third is big, keep medium to long hair on top to pull the eyes upward, and keep the beard short or faded. If the lower third is small, go for low to medium volume haircuts like a French crop, and grow a well-shaped beard to add definition to the jawline. Balancing these proportions instantly makes your face appear more harmonious. Step 3. Know your hair type. Your haircut depends on how your hair behaves. There are 3 most common hair types: straight, wavy, and curly. Straight hair are flat and shines easily. You are a lucky person if you have straight hairs, because now you can style them as you want. Wavy hair forms soft S shapes. Curly hair makes clear ringlets, and coily hair forms tight zigzags. Check the thickness too. Take a small section and separate it. If you see a lot of scalp, your hair is thin. If you hardly see skin, it's thick. This matters because thick wavy hair can hold big volume cuts, while thin straight hair usually looks better with shorter sides and light texture on top. The curly hairs look good with taper fades. But remember, don't go with high fades or you'll ruin your look. Now, once you know your face shape and hair type, the easiest trick that you can use is go to Pinterest and search hairstyles for your face shape. Pick the one that you like and go for it. Step 4. Choose a trendy cut. Now that you know your shape, hair type, and facial thirds, you can pick a style that's safe and stylish. Oval faces can try almost anything: textured crop, slicked back, or classic pompadour. Square faces look great with a low fade and side part, or even a buzz cut to show the jaw. Round faces need height on top and tight sides, like a quiff or high fade. Rectangle faces should avoid too much height. A medium-length side part or brush-back style balances things out. Heart and diamond faces look better with a bit more volume on the sides, so try longer layered styles or a messy fringe. But still, here are some trendy hairstyles that look good on anyone. Layer cut. If you have straight or wavy hairs, you can go with this cut. You have to tell your barber properly which type of cut you want. Modern mullet. This is a very trendy haircut and also adds a charm to your look. Now, if you don't want to do all the work that I mentioned before, then here's the easiest hack for you. Just go to ChatGPT, upload your photo, and type this prompt. After this, ChatGPT will study your face like a professional stylist and tell you the perfect hairstyle that will suit you. Thanks for your watching. For more, subscriber.